Are you struggling to construct commercial building projects efficiently? Our Commercial Building Contractors is specifically for you. We streamline every aspect of your operations, from initial planning to final delivery. Track progress in real time, manage resources effectively, communicate seamlessly with teams and clients, and maintain complete budget visibility throughout each project. With automated scheduling, instant reporting, and mobile accessibility, you'll eliminate the chaos that typically comes with large-scale construction projects. Our Commercial Building Contractors deliver projects on time, within budget, and to the highest quality standards your clients expect. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation, or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.